I am going to rebuild Chick-fil-A, because it was just destroyed by my sister Lizzie. She destroyed Chick-fil-A 3 months ago. I'm going to be Chick-fil-A with Plotagon logic. Here I go. Yes, I rebuild Chick-fil-A. Yes, I rebuild Chick-fil-A. Yes, I rebuild Chick-fil-A. Yes, I rebuild Chick-fil-A. Yes, I rebuild Chick-fil-A.
Wow, Jerry, thank you for rebuilding Chick-fil-A. Now I can finally let the customers order their food at Chick-fil-A because of you. That's it. I will be calling your parents about this. Go home now.
Yeah.
Jerry, we are so proud of you for rebuilding Chick-fil-A. Now all the customers can come back here again thanks to you.
Just for that, you are ungrounded forever. Go do whatever you want, now.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You guys are the best carrot in the whole world.